Pairing your TV streamer to your battery-operated hearing aids. First, press the pairing button at the back of the TV streamer 2 once to start the pairing process. Reset both your hearing aids by opening up the battery door, closing up the battery door. Okay, the pairing window is for 20 seconds. You must do it within 20 seconds. And put the hearing aid close to your ear. Upon successful pairing, you will hear a music melody in the hearing aid. Okay, now I will stream a video directly to the hearing aid via the TV streamer. Okay, successful streaming, you will see two lights. The orange light, streaming light, and the yellow light is the power light to power up the TV streamer. So two lights should be on, lighted up to indicate successful streaming. Thank you.